Alright, picture this. What if you could actually rewire your life one day at a time? I'm talking about the 30-day habit challenge. And yeah, I know you've probably heard that phrase a million times, but stick around because this isn't just another self-help gimmick. This is a story about how 30 little days can totally change your momentum. A few years ago, I felt stuck. I wanted to wake up early, eat healthier, be more productive, but every attempt fizzled out. Then one night, scrolling my phone past midnight, I stumbled on the idea. Don't try to transform your whole life overnight, just pick one habit. Do it for 30 days. That's it. So I did. I picked drinking a full glass of water every morning. Sounds simple, right? But it wasn't about hydration, it was about proving to myself I could stick to something. The first few days, easy. Days 6 through 12, I started to forget. So I set an alarm, kept the water by my bed. By day 20, it was automatic. By day 30, I didn't even think about it, I just did it. But here's the thing. After that first challenge, something clicked. I started stacking habits, meditating for 5 minutes, reading 10 pages, journaling, each one just for 30 days. Some stuck, some didn't, and that's totally okay. Because the real win wasn't the habits themselves, it was building a track record. I stopped seeing myself as someone who couldn't follow through. I became, habit by habit, a person who keeps promises to himself. Now, before you roll your eyes, thinking this is just another one of those change your life in a month things, hear me out. The 30-day challenge works because it's not about perfection, it's about progress. It gives you a finish line. It makes everything bite-sized. And if you mess up once, that's fine. Just start again tomorrow. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one small habit. 1. Maybe it's stretching when you wake up, or writing a single sentence in a journal, or taking a walk after lunch. Do it for 30 days. Track it. When it gets boring or you forget, set up reminders. Make it so easy you can't say no. After 30 days, see how you feel. You might be surprised what else shifts in your life, just because you proved you can follow through. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up for yourself. So what's your 30-day habit gonna be? Let me know down in the comments and let's see what changes together.